Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Accidental Doctor. Today in this video I am going to tell you about Bharatiya Vidyapeeth Medical College Sangli. This college is a A++ grade medical college located on Sangli Miraj Road in Maharashtra state. This college is affiliated with Bharatiya Vidyapeeth University, which is a deemed to be university and is recognized by MCI and is approved by NMC. This college was established in the year 2005 and provides total 150 seats for the MBBS course. Talking about the fee structure for Bharatiya Vidyapeeth Medical College Sangli, so the tuition fees for general category is 22,10,000 rupees per annum, and for NRI category $85,050 plus Indian rupees of 1,12,000. Note that additional 10% of tuition fees shall be charged as development fees, which will be rupees 2,21,000. So the total amount to be paid will be 24,31,000. Also note that there will be 5% increment each year in the tuition fees. Bharatiya Vidyapeeth Medical College Sangli has a lush green campus of 2.5 lakh square feet area, which includes facilities like lecture halls, demo rooms, common rooms, laboratories, central library, skill lab, computer lab, auditorium, exam hall, 7 hostels plus 3 mess and 2 cafeteria. According to the given data, the charges for the hostel for prospection will be rupees 500, admission fee will be 500, deposit of rupees 5,000, hostel accommodation charges are rupees 70,000 and mess charges are 42,500. So the total amount will be 1,18,500 rupees. The cutoff for Bharatiya Vidyapeeth Medical College Sangli for this year for MBBS course is 337 marks. Please do not go on the cutoff because cutoff is affected by a lot of factors. So while filling your preference list, please focus on the good colleges and not on your marks and the cutoff of the college. Talking about the connectivity of the college, so by road 40 kilometers of NH4 from Pet Naka on Pune-Bangalore highway, and the nearest railway station is Sangli railway station, which is 5 kilometers away, and Miraj railway station, which is 4 kilometers away. The nearest airport is Kolhapur airport, which is 50 kilometers away, and Pune airport is 253 kilometers away. The Belgavi one is 164 kilometers away. Talking about the PG, there are total 19 PG courses available in the college plus 2 super specialty courses, and the total number of PG seats offered by the college are 98, and the residents will be provided shared accommodation in the hostels. The annual residential fee is rupees 90,000 excluding the mess and without AC. And about the fee structure for PG, so for every course I have attached the image here, you can take the screenshot. For every course there is a different fees, so you can refer to this. Talking about the hospitals, so 780 bedded hospital is there with 1,300 plus of patient flow daily. So there is a good patient flow and the college is also good. And if you are planning to take admission here in this college, so all the information about Bharatiya Vidyapeeth Medical College Sangli is provided to you in this video. And if you want to know anything else, so you can comment down below. Also, if you want to know about our counseling services or want to purchase our internal details plan, so the detailed explanation of how to avail the benefits from our counseling is provided in a video, the link of which I have attached in our description below. And if you have any doubts, you can also contact on this number, and make sure to stay updated by following our page @Accidental Doctor on Instagram, and also subscribe this channel for more such informative videos. Thank you.